In a small town nestled between rolling hills, Clara's bakery had been the heart of the community. Known for her warm smile and even warmer bread, Clara's life was turned upside down when a massive flood demolished her shop. Heartbroken but not defeated, Clara worked tirelessly day and night, baking from a temporary kitchen, and eventually rebuilt her beloved bakery. Her determination not only brought back the delightful scent of fresh bread to the town but also inspired the entire community to come together and rebuild. Miles away, in a bustling city, Jamal faced a different battle. Diagnosed with a rare form of cancer, his dreams of becoming a professional dancer seemed impossible. Despite the grueling treatments, Jamal found a way to pour his soul into dance, performing for fellow patients and sharing his story on social media. His journey inspired thousands, turning his illness into a beacon of hope and resilience for others facing similar battles. In yet another corner of the world, Lena, a young scientist, struggled against gender discrimination in her field. Dismissed and undermined at every step, she refused to back down. Her groundbreaking research on renewable energy eventually gained international recognition. Lena's victory was not just a personal triumph but a significant step forward for women in STEM everywhere. These stories, illustrated with evocative visuals of floods, hospital rooms, and laboratories, are set against a backdrop of stirring music that mirrors their emotional journeys. From Clara's devastated bakery and the first loaf baked in her new shop, to Jamal's dance performances in sterile hospital halls, and Lena's breakthrough moments in science, the video serves as a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Resilience and perseverance are keys to overcoming life's obstacles, and these individuals embody the strength needed to triumph against adversity. Their stories remind us all that no matter the challenge, we can rise again, stronger and more determined than ever before.